Numbers of the Demoscene. Chapter 1. The Small Ones. 1. One winner. There is mostly only one winner in every compo. 2. Too many entries. That's why there are pre-selections. 3. Just a tree. 4. 4K. The Great Coding Challenge. 5. 5K. You gotta stay fit during revision. 8. 8-bit. Awesome bleep bloops and neat colors. 9. Bitte nicht. Wir wollen keine Enten mehr. Wir haben satt. And 10. Enten. Alle lieben Enten. Guck den an, der ist doch so putzig. Der hat nichts Böses vor. Ach du Scheiße, der hat ein Messer. Ah! Chapter 2. The Big Boy Numbers. 19. Dum dum. Du 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 dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum da 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 do da do de dum dum. Dum dum. 32. 32 countries. That's how many countries have or had their demo parties, including Finland. 64. Sad face. There are almost no 64K prods left. Help the scene by producing a 64K thing. 256 bytes. A challenge for the craftiest people alive. 1992. The first ever assembly. Chapter 3. The Funky Ones. A, B, C, D, E and F, because decimals are way too mainstream. COC10. You thought I wouldn't include a Cozy Finspin reference? You bet. 6A3375. Greets. These go to Hexwalker, Buzzer Collective, PS Enough, Observer, Kinsklowski, U+1F35E, Saga Musics, and of course you. BADA55. This color is badass. 333 trillion, 333 billion, 333 million, 333,000 and 333. It's a forest, because there are too many trees. U+1F35E. Bread emoji. Dear bread guy, you like bread, I like bread. We totally should do a demo together. That's at least on my bucket list. -4 minutes. I just wasted 4 minutes of your precious time. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching.